Let us talk about narcotic analgesics, especially chemistry of morphine. Narcotics are agents that cause narcosis. Narcosis is a Greek word which means benumbing. It is a state of stupor, unconsciousness or arrested activity produced by the influence of chemical or physical agents. Analgesics are agents that reduce pain. In relation to narcotic analgesics, we come across two different terms, opioid and opiate. Opioid is any substance, whether endogenous or synthetic, that produces morphine-like pharmacological effects. The structure of opioid may or may not be related to morphine, whereas the term opiate is restricted to a compound which is structurally related to morphine. The effects of opioid and opiate are produced by interaction at opioid receptors, and these are blocked by antagonists such as naloxone. Opioid thus is a broader term that signifies any molecule which act at opioid receptor and produce morphine-like action. The examples of endogenous opioids are enkephalins, endorphins, dynorphins. These are peptide in nature. The opiates are present in poppy plant, Papaver somniferum. These are obtained from dried latex that oozes out of unripe seed pods on incision. The dried latex contains three classes of alkaloids which are important. These include phenanthrene alkaloid, benzyl isoquinoline alkaloids, and phenylethylamine alkaloids. Morphine, codeine, thibane are example of phenanthrene alkaloid, noscapine and paparin of benzyl isoquinoline, and narcine is example of phenylethylamine alkaloid. When you look at the structure of morphine, codeine and thibane, they are interrelated to each other. Morphine has two methoxy groups. Codeine has one methoxy and one hydroxy group. Thibane has two methoxy group and additional one more double bond. Hence, thibane becomes the derivative of oripavine. Oripavine has one hydroxy group, one methoxy and additional double bond. Papaverine is isoquinoline alkaloid, so here is the residue of isoquinoline. Same is for noscapine, isoquinoline alkaloid, whereas narcine contains phenylethylamine residue. We are interested in structure of morphine. So let's see how to write the structure of morphine. Everyone can draw benzene ring. Fuse one more benzene ring to existing benzene ring. It becomes naphthalene. To naphthalene, fuse one more benzene ring. It becomes anthracene. If the fashion of fusion is changed, it becomes phenanthrene. Phenanthrene thus is a tricyclic ring system with three benzene rings fused to each other. Moving further, we can number phenanthrene ring which contains A, B and C rings. The numbering will be similar to naphthalene, that it will start from next to fusion 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. In the phenanthrene nucleus, reduce 4 double bonds from B and C rings, that is introduced 8 hydrogens. It becomes octahydrophenanthrene. Now ring A is completely aromatic. B and C are cyclohexane system with partial unsaturation. 2 octahydrophenanthrene fuse piperidine ring at C9 and C13. The molecule becomes morphinan. From morphinan molecule, remove 2 hydrogens across 7 and 8 carbons. It becomes didehydromorphinan and it will be now 7,8-didehydro. Introduce epoxy bridge or ether linkage across 4th and 5th carbon. It will be 4,5 epoxy derivative. This forms the skeleton of morphine molecule. So we have to introduce now peripheral functional groups. These are three functional groups: hydroxy, hydroxy and methyl. The first hydroxy at C3, second at C6, and methyl is at N17. To summarize structural features of morphine again, morphine is a rigid pentacyclic structure with benzene ring A, two partially unsaturated cyclohexane rings B and C, piperidine ring D, and dihydrofuran ring E. The dihydrofuran is formed by ether linkage between C4 and C5. There is unsaturation at C7 and C8. The two hydroxyl functions, first at C3 is phenolic in nature, C6 is alcoholic in nature. The N17 with methyl group is a tertiary amine which is basic in nature. Thus, morphine molecule has acidity because of phenolic OH and basicity because of the tertiary amine. Overall, molecule has basic nature with pKa 8.2. If we look properly, we see 5 chiral centers at C5, C6, C9, C13 and C14. So it can form 2 raised to 8, that is 32 isomers. Of those, only 16 are possible, that is 8 racemic diastereomer pairs. However, the analgesic activity resides only in levomorphine. The IUPAC of levomorphine will be dependent on parent structure, morphine NAN, with 7,8-dihydro, epoxy bridge, and 2 hydroxy functions or diols and methyl group. There is no need to memorize the name 5-alpha, 6-alpha, 7,8-dihydro, 4,5-epoxy, 17-methyl morphine and 3,6-diol. But important is what is the significance of alpha. Alpha refers to transorientation of 15, 16, 17 carbon bridge of piperidine relative to ABC ring system. B and C ring fusion is cis. C and D ring fusion is trans. The overall activity of molecule is levo, and here the absolute stereochemistry at 5 chiral centers is RSRSR at 5, 6, 9, 13 and 14th position respectively. With this stereochemistry, the molecule gets a T shape where the horizontal bar is formed by piperidine and cyclohexene system, whereas vertical bar is formed by cyclohexane, furan and phenyl ring system. This geometry is important further to see the resemblance between morphine, meperidine, methadone, etc. With the molecule having hydroxy group ready-made in its structure, there is no need to undergo first step of metabolism, that is phase 1. So it can undergo directly phase 2 reactions such as glucuronidation, methylation. It can form 3-glucuronide, 6-O-glucuronide. It can undergo 3-demethylation as well as O-methylation to form a codeine. Both are minor pathways of metabolism. The metabolites are cleared by renal excretion, about 90%, and biliary excretion, about 10%. Overall, morphine molecule is lipophilic in nature and therefore absorbed easily. However, due to extensive first-pass metabolism, its oral bioavailability is only about 20 to 40%. Rectal is little bit more, to 35 to 70%. It is protein bound to 30 to 40%. Half-life is 2 to 3 hours with duration of action 3 to 7 hours. The metabolites formed 3-O-glucuronide, 6-O-glucuronide have difference in activity. 3-O-glucuronide is inactive, whereas 6-O-glucuronide is active. N-demethylated product of morphine, that is normorphine, is completely inactive. With these physicochemical properties and metabolic reactions, we will see further the SAR of morphine and its analogues. Thank you.